Hello everyone, we're back on, I think it's episode 3 now, where we're going to be repairing the door mirrors on my Corsa VXR for the channel. As you can tell, I've already started this little episode. I didn't think you'd want to see me again DAing down a panel and putting filler in, as you've seen me do this on the channel loads now. I've already removed the door mirror and the inside door card. I've just done tutorials on them, so if you don't know how, there is tutorials on that. We obviously have got other bits to sort out, but at the moment we're going to concentrate on these door mirrors. So, what we are repairing today, I already had one off and looked at it, is this little crack that goes around here. I don't think you can really see it, to be fair. And then there's a crack around here I'm going to be repairing, which you can see. So I've already ground these ones up with a little belt sander. You could use a file as long as it goes down to bare plastic. That's that done. I did have the plastic welding strips, 1 second. So to find out what plastic there is on the underside, and I don't think you'll be able to see this, but what it says is PBT 50%. So I'm using Cornerstone little plastics. I've already got the sticks out. We do have a chart, shows you how to do this. So we just look down here, there we go, and then we look on the next chart. It says we can weld it, and you just gotta have the heat at 400. There's loads of different plastics and sticks, so I just have to find which ones we're using. So we'll tidy this mess up for starters. There we go. So all this does is blow out hot air. And at the moment, what's the temperature at? See if we can see that. Set at 100. So we're going to go up. There we go. Up to 400. There we go, that's all set. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this very well, but we'll give it a go. It's going to be a little bit awkward trying to film this and having my clubby hands in the way. There we go. So that one's all welded up. Obviously it's going to need filing back and stuff. I'm just going to weld them all up and then I'll be back and then I'll show you where we go from there. So I've got this one welded up, but I thought I'd do a little tutorial on this bit here to get your it's a bit of a nightmare, but you can get your wiring through so you can dismantle it. So you want a Torx 15. Then you just remove these 4 screws off this back plate. Be careful though, because there's little metal rods behind it which actually hold your door mirror onto this plate. So, don't know if you can see them little metal rods there. You don't want to lose them, or else you won't be able to clip your door mirror back onto it. Right, this is kind of a nightmare. I'm just going to put my plates on there. Well, I'm not going to lie, the plugs are real tight squeeze through there. I've just had to tap it through. Right, what we're going to do is put this back together now, just so we don't lose these little metal rods. That's the plate all back together. To pop your door mirror out, you can literally just pull these out. Well, it should just pull out. There we go. Got two little cables on the back. All stripped out. So I'm just going to weld this crack up here and this one round the back, and then I'll be right back. So we're all welded up. I'm just going to use a belt sander and cheat a little bit and make this a bit quicker. Then we turn that off. As you can see, we're all prepped, ready to put some plastic filler in there. Just going to rub down the other one, and I'll go mix some filler up and put that in. I'll be right back. Oh, you gotta love it.
Decide against that, of course, then.
Well, I'm not going to show you me rubbing it down. You've seen it on the channel like a billion times, so I'll just show you when it's done in a little bit. Right, I'll be right back. So we're all done. There we go. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next episode.
Check us out on the other socials as well.